Welcome to the channel, guys. Today we're going to go in great detail and talk about step by step exactly what you need to do to start a dropshipping account on Shopify. Now, Shopify is a place where you can bring your dreams to reality and make them one of the biggest dreams that you ever dreamed of. You can build your business here and take it anywhere and discover the reason why millions of entrepreneurs choose Shopify to build their business. The thing that really makes Shopify stand out is their store builder, where you can bring your vision to life with their easy to use store creator. And there is no coding expertise that is required. You can select from hundreds of customizable templates and craft them by a community of world-class designers. You can add more features and functionalities to your online store with app extensions from trusted Shopify partners, and you can connect with your customers everywhere. You can sell online, in person, or both with the marketing tools, social integrations, and sales channels that you need to get your product in front of customers. The thing that really makes Shopify a unique platform is the fact that everything that you need for your success is available here, from managing inventory, tracking payments, and viewing real-time business insights from a single dashboard. They have built all the tools that you need so you can focus on building your business, and they're empowering entrepreneurs everywhere. Millions of merchants worldwide are using Shopify. They're available in 175 countries, and they've supported jobs since 2021 up to 5 million with a global economic activity of $444 billion. They're literally one of the biggest platforms in the industry right now. And the reason why I personally love them is because they have an amazing support that is available from their Shopify blog that gets you all the marketing and business strategy tips that you need to run your business online, from their online courses where you can learn from the best with the instant access to lessons from successful entrepreneurs around the world, and their community where you can connect with a community of brands, partners, and fellow merchants who understand Shopify. And more than that, they also have an help center where you can find the answers in a flash with your dedicated resource for articles and videos from their support team. And that is not it. They're always available 24/7 to help you grow your business. And all you need to do is click on start the free trial. And if you don't want to do that, you can click on the description below in this video and get Shopify for 90 days. So let's get started with Shopify. Once you click on get started, you'll be taken to the first page where they'll ask you some basic questions such as which of these best describes you. They want to check out if you're just starting or already selling online or person. We're going to go with I'm just starting. Once you do that, it'll take you to the next question, which is where would you like to sell? An online store, an existing website or blog, social media, online marketplaces, in person, or you're not sure. And you can always come back and change these later. But we're going to go with the online store where we can create a fully customizable website. Once you have selected it, all you need to do is click on next, which will take you to the next question is if you're engaging with an audience on an online platform like YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, Patreon, or anywhere else, you can sell them directly. So you say yes or no, you can select. We're going to go with yes and click on next. Obviously, once you do that, you can choose the platform that are available. You can go for Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, and select where you want to sell. We're going to go with Facebook and hit next. After that, they'll ask you one of the most important elements that is available, which is the store name. Now, guys, I want to stop over here and mention that the store name is one of the most important things you have to keep in mind. And the reason for that is this is the determining factor of success. You need to select a name that is unique, a name that really stand out from your competition, and something people can understand quite easily. So once you select the store name, all you need to do is hit next. The last step you have to do before you start your free trial is you have to mention if you want to continue with your email, continue with Apple, continue with Facebook, or continue with Google. So we're going to continue with email. Once you sign in, this is what your dashboard is going to look like. On the left-hand side, you're going to have your home, your orders, product, customers, analytics, marketing, and discounts. Then you will have your sales channels, the online store and point of sales, and you would have your apps. Now, these are the two elements I want to talk about, the analytics and marketing, because a lot of young entrepreneurs do not make good use of these two options. The analytics gives you a complete breakdown of the information that you require to enhance your productivity and efficiency to ensure that you can scale your business. And marketing gives you an option to increase the viewership and custom base of your Shopify account. So make sure that you use these two options very thoroughly so you can get a strong Shopify account. On the main page over here on your dashboard, you would have your setup guide where you can add your first product. You can add brand assets and even add a custom domain and customize your theme. Then you have your exploring the support that's available available that we've spoken about that gives Shopify a unique element over here. So what we need to do, we need to customize our theme. Once you click on customize your theme, you can pick a theme and customize your content, your layouts, and typography and reflect your brand. Once you click on customize your theme, you'll be taken to the next page over here on the online store. As you can see over here, we're using a current theme over here, but there are different themes that are available. By adding add a theme, you can visit their theme store. Now, once you click on visit the theme store, it will open up in a new window. On this window, there's going to be a lot of different themes that are exclusively on Shopify. And these are themes that can really make a difference for your landing page and give the buyer a sense of exactly what you're selling and how you're selling it. The thing that I do not like about Shopify is the fact that they do not have a lot of free themes and themes that really stand out. And that is the reason why we've included a very special website that can give you amazing themes and really make your Shopify landing page stand out, which is called debeautify.com. Now, Debeautify is a very unique all-in-one e-commerce toolkit for brand owners. Their mission is to give you all the sales and marketing tools that you need. And obviously, with the 3 big pillars to empower e-commerce entrepreneur, this is one of the best platforms that you can get your Shopify theme from. You can focus on revenue, seamless integration, and reliable support. And obviously, Debeautify is trusted by leading brands such as Smile.io and SMS Bump. Now, with the themes, you can explore all the beautiful themes that are available over here by clicking Explore Debeautify Theme. And once you do that, you'll see that you can create a smart e-commerce business that has built-in conversation, that everything that you need to develop a theme that is truly unique. And when all the Shopify stores are created equally, it's your theme that gives you the sharpest edge. And because of the Shopify theme is more than just the look and the feel of your store, it should also help you achieve what matters the most, winning more customers and getting more sales. And that is the reason why you have all these elements that are available to ensure that you can create something that is truly unique. And developing it on Debeautify and getting your theme from here will ensure that you get a competitive advantage in the industry. Now, after you've done that and after you've checked it out, you can easily head over to demo, and clicking on demo, you can see how the Debeautify merchant works and how the actual website is going to look like. And if you scroll down, you'll be able to see the user experience, the user interface that they've created, how easy and amazing it looks. It looks professional, and you don't need to have any element of programming or any element of graphic designing or any element of user experience development to get something that is as powerful as this theme. And you can get it all in one place. And that is why Debeautify has become one of the biggest platforms in the industry right now. And by using them, you can enhance your abilities and get an amazing dropshipping landing page for your customers to ensure that you can increase your sales and become one of the biggest business in the industry. Now, once you've done it, all you need to do is head over to your Shopify account and employ this particular theme onto your Shopify. But before you start all of that, you have to click on the black box over here, which is the trial. And once you pick a plan, you'll be able to take advantage of the amazing offers that Shopify tends to have for you. Now, there's 3 elements that are available. The basic Shopify, which is for $1 for the first 3 months. Then you have Shopify, which is for $49 per month, and the advanced Shopify for $299 per month. But if you go for yearly plans, you can save up to 10% for the first year, 20% for the second year, and 25% for the third year. And it's quite simple and quite easy. If you have any questions whatsoever, guys, do let me know in the comment section below. I will be more than happy to help you, guide you, support you, and assist you. And if you've not subscribed to the channel, do subscribe to the channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon. And if you don't have a Shopify account, click in the description below and get Shopify for 90 days. Stay tuned for our next video. Until then, take care.